Hi everyone, my name is Shelley, and welcome back to another episode of Wigs are Jewelry for Your Head. In one of my previous videos, I promised a little more detail about this wig, Kelora, from Outre, and which I have in two colors. So the one I have on, I have not even cut the lace yet, is Cinnamon Wine. It has a dark root with a nice lace part, lace front, and it's like I don't know if you'd call it a beachy wave. It's definitely an interesting curl pattern. And I'm going to show it to you from all sides, and then I'm going to put on the other color that I also have, and I'll show you the inside of the cap. Okay, so this is the left side, the front, the right side, the back. All right, it does have the baby hairs that you can either, do little swooshes with or brush into the style, whichever you prefer. And you could piece this out if you wanted to, rather than leave it all in this particular pattern. I wouldn't advise brushing it, but you could certainly use a wide tooth comb or your fingers and rearrange this. Okay, and that's the cinnamon wine color. So now I'm going to unbox the golden amber color, and we'll take a look at that too. And before I do that, I'll show you the inside of this one. This does have the lace front, which I will be trimming back to fit me. And it has the lace part that you saw, which is really a nice lace part. The lace front goes all the way to the ears. There are no separate ear tabs. It has the hooky-do adjusters in the back with a back comb. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. I'm trying to get it. Yeah, okay, you can see the comb in the back. And it also has combs on the sides, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, way up here near the ear tab, there are combs on both sides. All right, the back, inside back, is all wefted for airflow. And then the rest of the cap at the top is a covered. Nice and soft. It's nice and soft. All right. So that's what this one looks like. I'm going to put the other one on, just that's a similar style. It's the same style, it's just different color. All right, so this is also Kelora, Kelora. These are 12 inches, from the crown. It's, this color is DRFF Golden Amber, and that one was the DR2 Cinnamon Wine. So, let's see what we get. Same kind of stock card as the last one. This one is attached, so I need my scissors. There we go. And again, just like the other one, it has the cardboard inside to help support the style, and all the protective stuff around the lace. Paper inside. Silica pack. Same construction. The little comb in the back. Just the regular nape, not extended. The lace all the way to the ear tabs. The baby hairs. Nice. Got the little netting on there. There we go. And it's this color. So I'll put this one on too, and we can see what that looks like. Got the lace twisted. All right, and again, I'll be cutting this lace, but just so you have an idea what the wig is going to look like. There's my cat again. Left side, front, the right side, and the back. What's the matter, Twilight? You want to come up here? Anyway, so, and again, with the baby hairs, you can either brush them up into the style, or you can make the little swooshes and things on the sides to make it however you style it, however you want. And it can be pieced out or just left with these curls. The length is cute. It's a cute length. So, he wants to come visit. Say hi to everybody. Go ahead. Anyway. All right, I hope that was helpful. So this is Kelora, Kelora, by Outre. And I got it from Hair Stop and Shop. And I'll put all the links down below for this so that you'll have them. Thank you. Hope it was fun. Talk to you soon.